start hacking the Ron's coffee shop, and he said that he start intercepting all the traffic, and he finds out about the Tor website, and he said that who is in control with the exit node will be in control with the traffic. Okay, now the first thing, we want to install Nginx and Tor. So as you see, dnf install. Man in the middle attack is where the attacker secretly relays and possibly alters the communications. Now in the show, they didn't give much details, so we will assume that this is the network infrastructure of Ron's Coffee. When All-Safe Company noticed a massive distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack targeting eCorp servers.